Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Fairphone 5 and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings, where we have our family and parental controls option. In it, we must change it from PG tree to more to available game as or application as Mobile Legends game. To do that, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and now we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!